Welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, so you already know I am back with another video. And because it is October and it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, today I'm going to be making a grand pink lemonade margarita. So I have my ice, and then I have some pink lemonade frozen concentrate. Pour that in there. And then I just got this already mixed golden margarita. It already has some of the Grand Marnier in it, and I think it's triple sec. So instead of buying it separate, I just got this already mixed together. Pour a little bit of that in there just to get some of that flavor. And then I have my Jose Cuervo tequila, and of course you mix as much of this as in there as you would like. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this up. We'll see if it's a good consistency. So we're gonna turn this on, and then I'm gonna hit my smart option button for ice drinks. Just a little bit more. And this also already has tequila in it as well. So we'll start this back up for our second run. Alright, so we have our cups here. I got this from the Dollar Tree for $1. Can't beat that. And then I'm just gonna put a little lime juice around the edges. And then I have some salt here, Margarita salt. And I put this in a plastic bag or a sandwich bag, and I put a little bit of pink food coloring in it and just mixed it and so it could turn pink. That's it. So I'm gonna put our salt around the rim. And of course you can use sugar or already made sanding sugar that's pink. I'm gonna pour a drink. then of course we're just gonna garnish it with lime. And there you have it. Our grand pink lemonade margarita. So of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my video or to my channel. And then just let me know down in the comments if there is something that you would like for me to make, and I will do it for you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.